155mm caliber warfare trials have not yet been adopted by navies despite their ubiquity on land, with most NATO and Allied navies using 76mm 3.0 in, 100mm 3.9 in, 114mm 4.5 in, or 127mm 5.0 in guns on modern The 155mm gun was better than the 4.5-inch Mark 8 naval gun at firing cannon-launched guided projectiles (CLGP) because the 155mm lower muzzle velocity made it easier for the projectiles to turn electronic guidance to survive being fired. Guns with a caliber range of 14 to 16 centimeters, 5.5 to 6.3 in, which later became known as the De Banger 155mm cannon. Self-propelled gun howitzer weapons on land, and have longer barrels relative to their caliber, e.g. the Mark 8 4.5-inch naval gun has a barrel length of 55 calibers, while the standard AS-90 self-propelled gun has a barrel length of 39 calibers. The 155mm 6.1 in gun was better than the Mark 8 4.5-inch naval gun at firing guided gun-launched projectiles, CLGP, because the 155mm 6.1 in lower muzzle velocity made it easier for the system to internal electronic guidance of the projectile. 155mm ammunition for maximum flexibility and user comfort during training and operational use. In our portfolio, we offer high explosive and smoke projectiles of various types, standard M107 projectiles, projectiles of different designs, with core, boat tail and basic discharge unit, to ensure a longer range of up to 43 kilometers. All our 155mm ammunition is equipped with our own design point detonation fuel, KZ-984. The KZ-984 fuel meets all the requirements of the NATO standard for 155mm ammunition. However, we can offer our customers other types of fuel, proximity, time and multi-purpose together with standard NATO partners. Self-propelled towed 155mm artillery system. This extended range warfare operations round increases the combat range to 40 km on the 39 caliber weapon system and over 60 km on the 58 caliber weapon system. The XM1113 supports mechanized assault forces and advancing infantry with additional range for conducting operations. Long-range precision fire allows artillery troops to stay well behind enemy fire, thereby improving performance and improving safety. The XM1113 can be fired from the M777A2 lightweight towed 155mm howitzer platform and the M109A7 Paladin self-propelled howitzer platform. These projectiles are filled with insensitive high-powered explosives and have an enhanced effect on the target. Each round is about 2 feet, 60 centimeters, long, weighs about 100 pounds, 45 kilograms, and is 155 millimeters, or 6.1 inches, in diameter. They are used in howitzer systems, which are large towed weapons and are identified by the range of firing angles their barrel can adjust. Soviet-era 155mm and 152mm caliber rounds are very popular because they provide a good balance between range and warhead size, said a research analyst at the Foundation for the Defense of Democracies. If your shell is too small, the damage won't be enough and it will spread. If you have a larger shell, howitzer fire can engage targets up to 15 to 20 miles, 24 to 32 kilometers, away, depending on the type of shell and firing system used, making them highly valued by ground forces for destroying enemy targets from protected distances. In Ukraine, 155mm shells are fired at a rate of 6,000 to 8,000 per day, said Ukrainian lawmaker Oleksandra Ustinova, who serves on Ukraine's Wartime Monitoring Committee. These numbers were outnumbered by around 40,000 Russian variant howitzer rounds fired at them.